Islam Schema, a fourth-year aeronautical engineering student. Today, we'll perform a static study on a clam arm using SOLIDWORKS Simulation. Let's get started. First, we open our CAD file of the clam arm in SOLIDWORKS. Once loaded, activate the Simulation tab here, as we see here in Simulation. Click Simulation and create a new static study. Once created, we'll assign the material to all parts of realistic simulation. Choose the clam arm set step, apply materials to all bodies. The material used for this study is steel 304. It's assigned the model through the material properties section in the simulation settings. As we see here, choose and apply, close, and here the results. Now, let's define the boundary conditions. We fix a geometry. In the fixed here, as we see in the fixed geometry step, the hole at the top, point A, is fully constrained. This means that all degrees of freedom, translation, and rotation are restricted for preventing any movement or deformation at this point. The two faces are done, so okay. Then let's move to apply a total force of 300 Newton on the designed area. In the force application step, the total force of 300 Newton is applied to the clam surface in point B. This force is distributed over the contact area to simulate the real loading conditions. Let's select the surface on which the 300 Newton force will be applied. Select. Okay. These five faces are selected. And of course, let's choose the national system. 300 Newton force and a total force, and okay. As we see here, fixed geometry and force application are done. Now in the interaction section, we select global interaction, edit definition, and select the bounded option to ensure perfect connection between components. Done. Before running the simulation, we need to create the mesh. So select mesh, create mesh, and choose, of course, here we're going to choose a standard mesh with a global size of 3 millimeters and a tolerance of 0.15 millimeters. As we see here, standard mesh and 3 millimeters as global size and a tolerance of 0.15 millimeters. Okay. As we see here, our study is meshed. Now everything is ready. We run the static study. Once the analysis is complete, we can observe the results. That's it. We have completed our static study. We covered all the essential steps. As we see here, we obtain stress and displacement. Click Show. This is displacement. Following the instruction, we're going to change to convert the stress to megapascal. Right click, edit definition. As we see here, let's select megapascal and of course with 5 decimal place, chart options and select 5 and okay. As we can see here, the maximum stress is equal to 105.049 megapascal. Same thing with displacement. Edit definition and let's convert it to inch with 3 decimal place and okay. Result is approximately to 0.009686 inch. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.